Okay guys, so we pulled the error code off this Jeep, and now it says we got error code 52. I'll show you how to do that real quick, but we're going to replace the O2 sensor because it said start there. It could be a number of things upstream, but this is our O2 sensor. So it has the sensor here, plug here, and it goes into the upper portion of the exhaust, near the exhaust manifold. It's going to be a lot of fun. So,
Jeep projects.
yes, she loves it. She says, I need to get on the honey-do list. And I'm still working on the Jeep.
Oh, we're not going to get started. So broken lights, so no microwave.
But y'all stay tuned. She's going to show us how to read these error codes on the Jeep.
I'm just going to do something simple, but okay.
Okay, so she's going to show us how you do the codes. So, what are you doing, babe?
Well, what you said. Okay.
One, back, go, keep back, and leave it there. And then it should give us our error code. 1, 1, 2. So that is, the battery's been disconnected. That's 3. That is no AC, or the AC error. We don't have AC. Well, I'll go back and look at the video and see what this is.
What?
Okay, so we're going to take out the old sensor. You don't use the impact on these. I'm going to unplug this. You got it?
Yeah. I'll pop this thing off. Oh, it's a divider.
Oh, you broke that clip.
No, it doesn't, just slides on and off.
Okay. Okay, this is the old sensor. When we get the new sensor, it's going to have. When we get the new sensor, it's going to have a cap on it. You don't touch the end like that.
Mm-hmm. I know. I was just looking at it. I'm throwing this one away.
So when you get the new one out, you'll have to take off the cap. And you don't touch the sensor. There.
There's some stuff on it. The lubrication from that.
Okay.
Is that okay?
That's, I guess, fine. It's lubrication from it. Install it in the hole.
Yep.
The threads line up.
Yep.
We're leaving a link for the YJ. And I think this is the JK.
How tight is this supposed to be?
O2 sensor. But you're going to tighten it with the wrench.
How tight?
Well, see if the connector fits.
Connector?
This wire.
Yeah, it fits.
Okay. Okay, so tighten it up. Just make sure it's snug.
Oh, wait, that's loosening.
It's loose enough.
Yeah, it is. Does that look good?
Mm-hmm.
That tight? How tight is it supposed to be?
How tight did you tighten it?
Not enough where you can't loosen it with your finger.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait, can I? Nope.
Okay. But if it leaks exhaust, you know it's not tight enough.
Let me try to ravel this up there. So
We'll
it
get
doesn't
some-
get stuck on the drive shaft.
We'll get some zip ties.
Oh, okay.
This one came with a lot longer wire.
There we go.
And
It's on.
now we're gonna get a zip tie and we'll tie up that wire so it doesn't hang on the drive shaft. And it'll be good. Okay, so we got the O2 resistor in.
I'm so freaking out, y'all. If you watched that whole video, I'm freaking
We weren't
out.
supposed to put that in there.
Okay, well, we might put a snip of what just happened.
At the end of the video, you'll see that. But we got the O2 sensor installed, and it didn't rectify our issue. Okay, so y'all stay tuned, and we're going to continue on this effort to fix our sputtering Jeep. And
Good old Jeff.
good old Jeff. But thank you for all the support you've given us on Amazon and our website. The views on our website are skyrocketing. That's awesome. And y'all loving the recipes out there? Great. She cooks new recipes all the time.
Yes. Most of the time.
Every week.
I cook recipes every week.
No, you cook new recipes for the blog every week.
Oh, well, I cook every day, but I cook new recipes every week. Right.
And guys, if you like this channel, please subscribe.
Yeah.
Please subscribe.
Yes.
And if you like this video, hit the like button. It's down there. Looks like this. And we have to open the garage because I'm sweating my tail off.
Actually, I'm quite comfortable.
She's got the nice airy dress. But y'all take care.
Bye.
Y'all stay tuned.
I can't. Okay. What? How in the hell? Oh my god. What the hell? Would not want to drive this Jeep every day.
Okay, that was weird. So she's going to show us how you do the code. So you want to turn this 2 times, and the 3rd time you want to leave it there. So go ahead, babe.
Huh? It's not going
No,
by.
you don't. Okay.
Where's the
Okay, so she's going to show us how you do the codes. So, what are you doing, babe?
Well, what you said.
1. Whoa!
Why is this not the brake on? What the hell is going on? There's the brake. That shouldn't. You're not putting that anywhere.
Okay. There. Now we took it out of gear. Almost went into the workbench up there. Okay, so we're ready to go again.
Okay. I don't want to do that again. Okay. I don't like this. Okay, I have to do what? Okay.
Y'all stay tuned.
Well, that's great. So we're gonna have a broken phone soon.
Yeah, this mount, I need to replace this.
Say that.
Mm-hmm.